everyone, welcome to Clipboard AI series. In this video, I will show you how Clipboard AI extract data from Remittance and paste it into an Excel sheet. Additionally, I will demonstrate how to add a new model to Clipboard AI. So here I have a 3 remittance. So each remittance which is in a different format. Let me open one by one. Okay, so look at here, and this is the one format which looks like the payment information is available here and the table is located here, right? And let me open the other format. Okay, so looks like this is a different format. Okay, and let me open the other format, the third format. Yeah, this is also similar to the second one with the different data. Okay, and now I want to extract the data from this remittance using the UiPath Clipboard AI, and let's see how the UiPath Clipboard AI works on remittance. Okay, let me go to this first one. Okay, and click on this window and go here your UiPath Clipboard AI tool and click on copy window and just click it, and it's analyzing your page. Okay, your document. Then go and click on your Excel sheet and click on this paste in Excel. And while click on paste in Excel, it's analyzing your entire Excel spreadsheet, and you see, so with the data mapper, it shows what are the information extracted from this document. So while you checking this Clipboard AI automatically it's recognize this as a receipt, but it's not a receipt. So even though if it is a receipt, and it can able to extract the name of this company and the vendor address, date, total, and also it can able to extract the table as well. It got detected 2 columns and 13 rows. Okay, and also the description and the line amount only it got detected. Okay, let's see changing the other format. Okay, so click on this change. So before that, there is a I symbol is right here. So click on this and it will give you the OCR text, whatever extracted from this document. And if you click on the camera icon here, and it will tell you what are the fields it's extracted. So this is the description and this is the line amount. It got observed that. So now I'm going to change the document format. Okay, here I have a couple of other document format: invoice, passport, receipts, ID card, and the purchase order desktop forms. But here I don't have the document type for the remittance, right? So now, okay, let me try with the invoice format. Click on this invoice and let's see what are the details extracted through invoice model. And yeah, it got extracted the vendor name, billing name, invoice date, billing address, payment address, vendor VAT number, total. Couple of the field it automatically recognized as an invoice, and it's extracted from this document, right? And also it got extracted 2 columns, same 13 rows. So this is the invoice model. It recognized as a part number. Okay, here is the line amount. So part number is the reference. I want to use this remittance model to this particular document, right? Here I have a question: how to add new document type here? Okay, so these are the default type. How to add a new document type here? It's very simple. Okay, click on close and go to your Clipboard AI, click on settings, and from the settings, okay, go to extraction model and click on add another model. And here, so there are a lot of formats here. Okay, so invoice, passport, receipts, ID card, and utility bills, purchase order, invoice, India, so remittance advice, and vehicle title. So here I want to choose this remittance, and yes, choose the remittance. So if you click this save, and you cannot use this model, so the provided DU model setting is not valid. Okay, so we have to provide the URL and the API key of this particular DU model. Okay, how to get this URL? It's very simple. Go to your Chrome browser and type UiPath document understanding endpoint URL, that means public endpoint URL, and you will get this page. Okay, so this is the UiPath document understanding endpoint URL, and so I want to use Remittance. Okay, Remittance, and here you see that this is the URL of Remittance. Copy this. Once you copy and go back to your Clipboard AI tool and paste it here. Okay, just paste it, and then we have to provide the API key, and so the API key which is available in your orchestrator under the document understanding. So I have already taken this API key, and I'm going here and copy this and paste it here. Okay, it's done now. Now I'm going to click on save. So once you click on save, the model automatically added into UiPath Clipboard AI, and now go here and just do copy window and go to Excel and click on paste in Excel. See, automatically detected as receipt. Now I'm going to change it as a remittance. Okay, so here you can see that there is a remittance new document format added here. So before there was no remittance advice here. So after adding this remittance advice, so here it's got detected name as ABCD, and the vendor name is this one, and date and vendor address total, and it got detected 3 columns and 13 rows, right? So invoice date it got detected, invoice number, okay, and the invoice amount it got detected, okay. And let's see what are the items got detected, and yeah, it's unable to detect this invoice total and the lost retention column. This is how you need to add your new document format. And now I'm going here and click on paste. Okay, so look at here, it pasted like a table, and also it's pasted the name and vendor name, date and vendor and total. So whatever the AI can able to extract from the remittance advice. So even though if it is a PDF document, we can do manual copy paste. So we can copy this like that, and we can paste it so like this. If we paste it like this, and you can able to see the entire data within a single column. But the UiPath Clipboard AI, it's detected that this is a table format, and it's pasted as it is table. Okay, and now so there will be a question. Okay, so even though if it is remittance and it did not capture a couple of columns from this table, right? So let's try with the other format. Let's go and create a new sheet. So let's try the extraction on this document, and the copy window, and click on this Excel and paste it. The Clipboard AI automatically detect as invoice, but I'm going to change this pattern to invoice to remittance. And you see it's captured name, vendor address, advice number, date, total, and it has 3 columns and 4 rows. Okay, there are 4 rows, correct, but it got detected only 3 columns. So okay, fine, because here there is a cross amount column, there are 2 columns with the similar data, so it's fine now. Okay, it got extracted exactly. Then click on paste. Yes, we can able to extract. So what about in the first format, the third format also similar to the first one, I mean the second one, and the first one I want to extract all the columns. So then how to do that? It's very simple. Okay, so even though if you use the remittance and it won't capture a couple of columns, and how to extract this only this table. Okay, so it's very simple. Go to your Clipboard AI and click on copy window, and it's taking analysis, and then click on your Excel. Okay, and go and click on paste in Excel. So here it got detected as a receipt. I am going to change it here. Okay, so While changing this, okay, here there are a couple of predefined model is available in UiPath document understanding that we can utilize to extract the data from documents. So here there are other couple of options as well. So plain text and table and names value and semi-structured data. So in this case, I want all this, I want the entire table. So then, let me try with the other type here, okay. And here I'm going to choose table and name value pair because so it will extract the tables and labels value pair, okay. Let's see how the results look like. So see here, it's automatically detected, the fields based on the labels. So it detected the payment date, a PO box, and there is a quintowns and ABC delivery, send date, GST number, and couple of other fields as well. Okay, and now you see the table item. There are 5 columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the 14 rows. If you go here, click on this I button and the camera icon, so it got captured the entire table. Okay, so if you want to extract some data from your remittance, and you can use this remittance model, and if you are not able to get all the data, you can use this particular option, table and name value pair option, and it can able to detect financial statement, reports, research papers, and product catalogs, inventory documents, so on. So okay, I'm fine with that, and I'm click on paste data. So it's going to paste the data here. Now I can able to get all the table data here. Okay, so this is how you can extract your data from various documents. Now you know that how to add the new document model into your Clipboard AI. Finally, we can conclude that the Clipboard AI works with the remittance document as well. In the next video, I will show you how Clipboard AI operates with other document formats. Thanks for watching, and feel free to write your queries in the comment section. I will be happy to assist you. Happy automation.